What's up guys, welcome back to our channel How To Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can schedule a message in Slack. So what you're going to do is just go to your Slack and you'll be having this home screen over here. Then choose the person you want to send the message to. So let me just select him and then just type the message that you want to send. So let me just type hello, happy birthday. And now on your bottom right corner you'll be having the send option, and beside your send button there will be a small arrow which says schedule for a letter. So just go over there and you'll be having option like tomorrow at 9 a.m. or anything, and you can also use the custom time to select a custom time to send the message. So let me just select any one of it, the tomorrow 9 a.m. and it will say your message will be sent to @ blah 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 tomorrow at 9 a.m. So that's pretty much guys. This is how you schedule a message in Slack. So thank you for watching our video guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. So leave a like if you like our video and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update from us. Also comment down for more reviews and more contents like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Stay safe till then guys. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.